students. Children, of today's class in GK is based on international days. There are so many international days which are celebrated all over the world. Days are given here. You have to write the dates that on which date these international days are celebrated. Now let's see on the board. Children, the first one is World Health Day. So World Health Day is celebrated on April 7 all over the world. Why all over the world? Because these are international days. Okay. Now World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day is celebrated on December 1st. International Labour Day. It is celebrated on May 1st. Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is celebrated on December 10. World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day is celebrated on September 27. World Population Day. It is celebrated on July 11. World Telecommunication Day. And World Telecommunication Day is celebrated on May 17. Children, next is International Women's Day. It is celebrated on 8th of March. Every year on 8th of March. World Forestry Day is celebrated on March 21. Children, there are so many international days which are celebrated in March. So be careful. आप बस dates को ध्यान में रखिएगा. मंथ में कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो आप, डेट्स में कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो, because so many days are international days are celebrated in month of March. So be careful and remember the dates carefully. Now World Disabled Day. Disabled means those who are not able to do anything, or those who are paralysis, those someone's hand is not working properly, or they don't have their head, or someone is not having their leg. तो इस तरीके के जो लोग होते हैं, या सम आर पैरालिसिस, या आप देखते हैं कि टीवी वगैरह पे दिखाते हैं कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं कि उनके हाथ टेढ़े मेढ़े से हैं, उनके पैर टेढ़े मेढ़े से हैं, दे आर नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, their body organs are not working properly. So these are type of people are known as disabled person. So World Disabled Day is celebrated on March 15. Now UN International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction. It is celebrated on October 13. World Wildlife Day, March 3rd. World Senior Citizens Day. Children, senior citizens, the person who is of 60 years or above than 60 years. जो हमारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनकी एज 60 हो चुकी होती है या 60 से अबव होती है, दे आर नोन एज सीनियर सिटीजन्स. उनको हम सीनियर सिटीजन्स कंसिडर करते हैं. तो वर्ल्ड सीनियर सिटीजन्स डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन August 21. World Diabetes Day. It is celebrated on November 14, and November 14 is also celebrated as Children's Day, but only in India. And here we are talking about international days. So International Diabetes Day, World Diabetes Day is also celebrated on November 14. Rose Day. अब ये Rose Day में कंफ्यूज मत होना, because ये Rose Day for कैंसर पेशेंट्स है. It's not the Rose Day of Valentine weeks, और जो Rose Day क्या कहते हैं हम फ्रेंडशिप में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, वो वाला Rose Day नहीं है. ठीक है, ये रोज डे है फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स एंड इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन September 22. वर्ल्ड ओजोन डे, इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन September 16. Children, the 17th one is World Environment Day. This you also studied in geography. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June 5. World Red Cross Day is celebrated on May 8. Earth Day on April 22. World Leprosy Eradication Day. It's celebrated on January 30. And here the exercise is over. The last one is the IQ test, which is given in your book. Now look at the IQ test question. When do we celebrate International Day of Non-Violence? Children, it is celebrated on 2nd of October. आप फिर कहोगे 2nd of October तो is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, that we celebrate in India as Gandhi Jayanti. And here we are talking about international days. But 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, which we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti, it is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence all over the world. And गांधी जी and non-violence, वो तो एक ही, गांधी जी का तो प्रिंसिपल था नॉन वायलेंस, तो आप ऐसे भी इस चीज को रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हो. So International Day of Non-Violence is also celebrated as 2nd October all over the world. Now that's all for today. We will meet soon in next video with another exercise. Till then, goodbye.